Cinnamon English. How's the weather? It's sunny. What shall we do? Let's go to the beach. How's the weather? It's cloudy. What shall we do? Let's play hide and seek. How's the weather? It's partly cloudy. What shall we do? Let's play in the park. How's the weather? It's stormy. What shall we do? Let's play a computer game. How's the weather? It's rainy. What shall we do? Let's read a book. How's the weather? It's windy. What shall we do? Let's fly a kite. How's the weather? It's hot. What shall we do? Let's eat ice cream. How's the weather? It's cold. What shall we do? Let's drink cocoa. How's the weather? It's snowy. What shall we do? Let's make a snowman.